A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Friday's trading action at Dalal Street dated March 25th, 2022. After pausing for a breath in last 2 days, SGX Nifty this morning is indicating a stirring rally. Hopefully the bounce is neat and takes Nifty towards its biggest hurdles at 17,500 to 17,807 zone. Well, cautious optimism prevails after headlines indicate that Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said there was progress in the ceasefire negotiations with Moscow. Now, before we get into details, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty current market price 17,223. Buy at current market price. Strict stop at 16,911. Targets at 17,501 and then at 17,807. Aggressive targets at 18,151 zone. Bank Nifty current market price 35,527. Sell between 35,900 to 36,000 zone. Strict stop at 37,357. Targets 35,097 and then at 34,947. Aggressive targets at 34,011 mark. Our chart of the day is bullish on Coforge, Emphasis and Larsen & Toubro Infotech with an inter-month perspective, but on any corrective declines. The one stock to buy right now, buy Larsen & Toubro Infotech March futures for 0 to 3 days at current market price 6,171 for an objective of 6,251 and then at 6,501 and then at 6,751. Stop at 5,951. Alert oversold zone. Since last 2 months, the trading theme revolves around rising rates and then Russia-Ukraine war was seen commanding investors' attention. We suspect the next big trigger will be the Q4 earnings season. Investors will look to accumulate IT stocks like Coforge, Larsen & Toubro Infotech, LTTS and Emphasis with an inter-month perspective. Technically speaking, the make or break Nifty support seen at psychological 17,000 mark. Only below Nifty 17,000 zone, expect waterfall of selling which could take Nifty down to 16,691 mark with inter-week perspective. From a chartist standpoint, the technical landscape will improve considerably only if Nifty closes above its biggest hurdles at 17,807 zone. The Nifty options data for March series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 16,500 to 17,500 zone. Maximum call open interest at 17,300 followed by 17,500 strike price. So 17,500 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 17,200 levels followed by 17,600 levels. Call writing was seen at 17,300 and then at 17,500 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 17,200 and then at 17,100 strike price. Bank Nifty's maximum call open interest at 37,000 strike price while maximum put open interest at 34,000 strike price. In yesterday's volatile session, the FIS sold shares worth rupees 1740.71 crores. Meanwhile, overnight at Wall Street, US airline stocks moved higher after industry leaders urged President Joe Biden to lift the pandemic-era mask mandate on planes and in airports, arguing the rules are no longer aligned to the current post-COVID environment. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022-4076-7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.